Welcome to our analysis of Clockshark, a leading cloud-based time tracking software. It's designed for businesses in construction and field service industries. Clockshark simplifies the process of scheduling, time tracking, and payroll processing. It's ideal for businesses that want to manage their mobile workforce more effectively. The software can be used on multiple devices, providing flexibility and convenience for your team. Let's dive into Clockshark's key features. The GPS tracking feature allows businesses to monitor their employees' locations in real time. The drag and drop scheduler makes it easy to assign tasks and projects, while the time tracking feature ensures accurate payroll. Clockshark also offers robust reporting capabilities, providing insights into labor costs, job costs, and more. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with popular payroll and accounting software like QuickBooks. In terms of pricing, Clockshark offers several plans to fit different business needs. The basic plan starts at $15 per month, plus $3 per user. The standard plan is $25 per month and $5 per user, offering additional features like GPS fence and PDO tracking. The Pro plan is $45 per month and $8 per user, including premium features like job costing and advanced reporting. A free trial is available for testing out the software. Clockshark is ideal for businesses in the construction and field service sectors. It's particularly useful for companies with a mobile workforce who need to track time and location accurately. The software is also beneficial for businesses looking to streamline their scheduling, payroll, and job costing processes. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Clockshark can help enhance your operational efficiency. Moving on to the advantages, Clockshark offers user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for teams to adapt. The software's robust features like GPS tracking and drag and drop scheduling help manage mobile workforces effectively. Its integration capabilities with accounting and payroll software simplify financial management. Lastly, Clockshark's customer service is highly praised for being responsive and helpful. However, Clockshark has its limitations. Some users have reported the mobile app to be slightly glitchy at times. Also, while it offers a variety of features, it can feel overwhelming for some, especially those new to time tracking software. Lastly, although it offers integration with some payroll systems, it doesn't cover all, which may require additional manual work for some businesses. Here are the key takeaways. Clockshark is a comprehensive time tracking software with a range of robust features, making it a great tool for businesses in the construction and field service industries. While it has a few limitations, its benefits outweigh the drawbacks. Overall, it's a reliable solution for managing mobile workforces, streamlining payroll, and enhancing operational efficiency. Thank you for watching our analysis of Clockshark. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.